guys! It's me again, Saizani. So, for today's video guys, may gagawin po tayo. Before I'll start, I just wanna thank you guys sa pag-support and sa pag-subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you guys kasi umaabot na tayo ng magwa 1.4k subscribers na tayo guys. Thank you so much. And before I'll start rin, gusto ko lang rin po mag-shoutout. Hi kay Melbourne, kay Lexi, kay Marifel Tobio, kay RJ, kay Wayne Del Rosario, kay Akats, Kriza May Maldesir, Ira Agana, and kay Kyle Simpliciano. And sa mga hindi ko pa po na shoutout guys, mag-comment na lang po ulit kayo kasi yung iba hindi ko na po makita yung name and hindi ko po nalilista agad. And yung iba yung nag-PM sa akin and hindi ko na po siya mabackread. So, mag-start na tayo. So, yun na nga guys. Ang plano kasi, nag-post ako sa Facebook account ko a few days ago. Sabi ko, i-delete ko yung ML ng jowa ko. / Maseng. Ayun na nga. So, medyo naaawa ako sa kanya. Kung i-delete ko, syempre magkakagulo. Baka kung ano paggawin nun sa akin, alam ko naman kung paano magalit yun. So, ang balak ko na lang ngayon is maglalaro tayo dun sa may rank. So, hindi niya alam na gagamitin ko yung, lalaroin ko yung ML niya ngayong gabi. Kasi sabi ko, mag-exchange phone kami kasi mag-film lang ako at gagamitin ko tong cellphone na to. And then, hindi niya alam na lalaroin ko to. So, yan tuloy na nga ang plano. So, maglalaro tayo sa may rank. Hindi niya kasi ako inaalaw na maglaro doon kasi hindi talaga ako marunong maglaro. Naglalaro naman ako pero doon lang sa may VSAI. Ay, nakalaban mo doon is computer. So, madali lang doon. Nananalo naman ako doon. Pero sa may rank, hindi ko kasi gamay kasi syempre, malalakas yung mga kalaban. So, ang gagawin lang natin is maglalaro tayo sa rank. Hindi ko alam kung ano magiging kalalabasan ng laro na yon, kung mananalo man or matatalo. Pero for sure, matatalo. And alam ko talaga na magagalit yun sa akin. But, itutuloy pa rin natin tong plano na to. So, mag-start na tayo. And, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo kung yung itsura ko habang naglalaro. Kasi, ang ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo is yung play kung paano ako naglalaro. So, mag-start na tayo. So, yan. Mag-start na tayo. I-open muna natin yung airplane mode natin para walang makatawag sa atin. And then, i-open natin yung Wi-Fi. Medyo kinakabahan ako. Then, yan. Maglalaro na tayo. Oh my gosh. Kinakabahan talaga ako. And sana, oh my gosh. Baka may biglang mag-chat-chat na. Oh my god. I-mute natin. Okay. Mamaya muna kayo mag-chat. Mamaya na ako magre-reply kasi maglalaro tayo. Oh my gosh. Diba kasi last week, anong nangyari kasi is nag-rank down lahat. So, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi nag-rank down na nga siya, tapos babawasan pa natin yung star. So, yeah. I'm so nervous. So, magkiklik muna tayo. Bago niya binigay sa akin tong phone is, niremind niya ako na dapat i-open ko to para makapag-claim ako. Pero hindi ako nagpahalata na i-open ko talaga. So, babakasan natin yung star niya. Medyo kinakabahan talaga ako. So, start na tayo. Kinakabahan ako yung mag-start. Oh my gosh. Start na tayo. Oh my gosh. Kinakabahan ako like, OMG. Sorry rin sa mga madadamay sa plan. Oh my gosh! ako. Pindot lang ako ng pindot. Hindi wala akong pakialam kung ano pa yan. Basta kung ano mapindot ko yun. So, yan. Start na natin. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous! Gamitin natin si Mia. Oh my gosh, kinuha nila si Mia Khalifa. Like,
nothing lasts forever. We can change the future.
Gusto ko to. Oh my gosh. Anong gamitin mo dito? Bakit nakalak? Pag ganito.
Nothing lasts forever.
Let's see who has the last laugh.
Oh my gosh, ano nangyayari? Ano ba nangyayari? Yan na lang, babae syempre. Babae ako. Siya na lang. Dapat nga si Mia Khalifa yung gusto ko kasi siya yung ginagamit ko tuwing naglalaro ako. Pero sige, masyadong maingay. Pero sige. Oh my gosh! Yan, siguraduhin natin na i-play ang video na to. Ala, Ala. Kinakabahan ako. Oh my gosh. As in real talk. Oh my gosh. Sorry sa mga nadamay sa kalokohan to. Pero sana buhatin nyo na lang ako para ano naman maging okay. Pero ang plano natin guys is mapatalo to. Pero lalaban tayo.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
5 seconds.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Deployed!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, lag.
Request backup! Request backup!
Ayoko mag-solo doon, da.
Let's see who has the last laugh.
Kasama ko si Mia. Mia Khalifa. Nagmamarunong tayo, akala mo.
We still have a score to settle.
Ala, bakit execute yung meron? Dapat, hindi ko sinagyan na. Medyo bobo tayo ngayon. Ay! Ay! Ay!
Let's see who has the last laugh.
Nalaban naman tayo kahit pa paano.
Request backup! We still have a score to settle. Request backup! Would you like to have a drink with me? An ally has been slain. Let's see.
Hindi ko tinatawanan na ako ng mga nanonood.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Oh my gosh! So yun, nangyayari.
Would you like to have a drink with me? Launch attack! Our turret is under attack.
Oh my gosh, there's so many.
Launch attack! Would you like to have a drink? Resurrecting soon. Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed. Let's see who has the last laugh. Would you like to have a drink with me? Our turret is under attack. We still have a score to settle.
Oh my gosh. Wala pa napapatay ang potek. 2-0. Oh my gosh, lag.
Our turret is under Let's see who has the last laugh.
Lalag, walang signal.
We still
Oh
have
my
a score
God.
to settle.
Bakit ang sama? Sino yan?
Let's see who has the last laugh. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Hindi ko man alam kung ano nangyari. Kinakabahan ako.
Our turret is under attack.
Alalag!
An enemy has been slain.
Ala, ano nangyari? Bakit ganon? Paano nangyari yon?
Our turret is under attack. Let's see who has the last laugh. We still have a score. Request back. An ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
Ala, paano nangyari yun? Buwasan na
Let's see who
yung
has
ating
the last
buhay.
laugh. Our inhibitor turret has under attack. Launch attack.
With me.
So, medyo tahimik tayo. Ala, bakit nangyayari yun?
We still have a score to settle. Let's see who has the
Alalag.
last laugh.
Lag. Oh my gosh. Alalag, oh my gosh.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Oh my gosh. Lagang potek. Sige na, talunin nyo na kami, dalian. Galit na yun habang nanonood, panigurado.
Our turret is under attack.
Sugod!
Request backup. Let's see who has the last laugh. The enemy has slain the turtle. Would you like to have a drink with me? Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Oh my God!
Double kill.
Bayan ka!
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy killing spree.
Bayan?
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Run. Ala, ano nangyari?
Our turret is under attack. Inhibitor turret is under attack. Let's see who has the last laugh. Our turret has been destroyed.
Gusto ko lang humingi ng tawad sa may-ari ng ML na.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Would you like to have a drink? Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. have a score to settle. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Would you like to have a drink with me? Lord resurrecting soon. Let's see who has the last laugh. Enemy killing spree. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Let's see who has the last laugh. Would you like to have a drink with me? Shut down! The enemy has slain Lord.
Oh my gosh, someone is calling like, oh my gosh.
Shut down! Enemy rampage! Enemy double kill! Enemy triple kill! Our base is under attack! Our inhibitor turret is under attack! Our turret has been destroyed!
Screenshot natin. Bye-bye, Star. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh! Continue. Oh, wala man lang tayo napatay na isa. Continue. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Hala, sorry talaga. So, mag-back na tayo. Back. So, nagawa na natin talaga ang plano. Nagnubuwasan ng kanya star. So, medyo inakabahan talaga ako. And at the same time, sobrang hindi ko alam kung natatawa talaga ako. Kasi, tuwing nag-ML siya, bibistrin talaga ako. Lagi ko siyang ginugulo. Lagi kami nag-aaway ng dahil sa dyan. So, medyo nakabawi ako. Patikim pa lang yun. Pero pasensya na. Alam ko, nag-iinit na yung ulo nun habang pinapanood tong video na to. And yun, natuloy na talaga ang ating plano. I'm so proud of I'm so proud of myself. Like, OMG. So, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!